Hello, everyone. Happy Thursday. We're almost to Friday. I hope you're excited. And I know you know the importance of using visual marketing. When you're thinking of a website, a landing page without colors or images or video, are you really into it? Do you really want to click on it? See, that's what we call visuals when we have something attractive on a website or on a page. It gets visitors exciting and it gets them interested. But you need to find good images, you need to find good things, and it's really tough to go in Pixabay, Shutterstock, and do all that stuff. But with DotcomPal, we're going to discuss how you can bring all of that stuff in, integrate it easily, and make sure that it's streamlined so you can use stock images for everything, your pages, your websites, your emails. No downloading, no uploading, just get it straight from DotcomPal. So hello everyone. Today we are talking about how to integrate stock content providers in DotcomPal. I'm Kareem with Team.compal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage in one place. And I'm joined by my awesome co-host, Manish. Manish, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you, Kareem, for asking. And I'm sure that today we will explain what is the importance of stock content, what are the platforms, and how these platforms can be integrated with .com.
Yes. And the biggest thing, guys, is if you want to learn how to do this easily, so you don't have to keep going on Pixabay, going on Shutterstock, all those places and grabbing images and files, be sure to like this video on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to know when we go live with more videos to help you grow your business. And if you're on Facebook, give me a like and give me a share so you can help somebody else grow their business. So, Manish, how do we do this?
Sure, Kareem. First, guys, why we need stock platforms or the platforms which are offering the stock content? Because every website, if you're going to create a website or landing page or any pop-up or any marketing campaign, you need visuals over there. That is really important to engage or attract people on the content or on the stuff you are delivering on internet, especially on internet. So the images, the videos, because without that, the website or the landing page or the pop-up you have created, it's like just black and white. The text and the white or the black, the background over there, no color, nothing that is going to captivate the viewers or the visitors. So visuals are really important, but it's really time consuming and cost effective as well. If you are going to create an image or video for every purpose you are going to put on your sales page or landing page or website or pop-up, either you need to hire a graphic designer or a VFX artist, and or if you know about this technique, you will create these graphics by your own. But that is time consuming. The time you can devote to other business aspects related to your business. So the stock platforms comes into the picture because they have tons of images or videos which you can use in your marketing campaigns, maybe free, maybe paid, but the amount they are charging, that is really and relatively very less if you are going to create the same concept, same graphic by your own or by hiring anyone to do that for you. So, uh, let me give you an example. Like as Kareem mentioned earlier, like Pexels, Pixabay, Shutterstock, and several others. There, these three names are comes on top if we talk about the stock content or images or videos. So it's really amazing that you just need to search as you do in Google. Like if you're looking for a happy face, or if you are looking for a deal on a table, whatever the content you are looking for, you just need to type in the search bar, and it these platforms will give you or offer you several options. You just need to select or choose or the pick one you want to put or which suits your page or theme or the concept you are going to deliver, and you can use that without any legal or copyright issue because these are 100% legal copyright free content which you can use if you are a member of that platform. Uh, there are platforms which are absolutely free, and there are platforms which are offering uh, a certain amount of content for free, and then they are charging. But that is not the concern if we talk about this video or this session. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can integrate the top three platforms, stock content platforms, Pexels, Pixabay, and Shutterstock with DotcomPal, so that you don't have to download any content from there. It You can curate the content directly in DotcomPal and use that in your marketing campaigns. Corinne, I'm sure as a video marketer and the video agency owner, you must have not used the videos, the stock videos, but stock images may be useful for you so many times in your campaigns or the pages or the channels you have created.
Uh, I've gone to Pixabay many times to get images when I need to talk about a certain topic. I've used Shutterstock actually through a program you may be familiar with it called Bitable. And I've also, gone and looked at royalty-free images on Google as well. But to really build videos, to build landing pages, to build emails, to build anything that's going to stand out to a specific audience, like yoga, for example, or gym fitness trainers, or anything like that, you want to have some relevant images, and you're not always going to have them just from taking pictures on your phone. You might have to get some from other people's photography experience. So that's just something to keep in mind.
Yes. So that's great. And let's see how easily you can integrate the Pixabay, Pixels, and Shutterstock with DotcomPal and curate the content from there and use that in your marketing campaigns. Let me share my screen with you. And here it is. These are my accounts for Pixabay. This is for Pexels and this is for Shutterstock. And here it is, my DotcomPal account and the business I have created over here. We have discussed about this earlier as well. That is Yoga World. And for this, I'm going to, because we are going to integrate some these three platforms in DotcomPal. So we need to go into settings, and here in simple terms, that is integration. Obviously we are going to integrate, and the new integration, it's a new business, so I haven't done or I haven't integrated any platform till now, but for this session today we are going to integrate three platforms: Pexels, Pixabay, and Shutterstock. So new integration, and here are the integrations which can be performed in DotcomPal. You can integrate autoresponders, but there is an inbuilt autoresponder, the mailing system in DotcomPal itself. But if you want to integrate a third-party one, you can do that. Now, CRM softwares or CRM platforms, you can. Webinar platforms, content providers. We are going to discuss these three platforms today in this session only. And the drives, like the Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. You can integrate these drives or the cloud storage platforms in DotcomPal, so that if you have stored any business file, any document, any image, any video on any of these platforms, you can curate directly that content as well in DotcomPal itself, without opening or without following the traditional process, that is like first opening or login to that platform, then download the content from there, then come to the play like in our case it's DotcomPal, then log into DotcomPal, upload the content in DotcomPal or DotcomPal My Drive, and then use it in your marketing campaigns. But in what we have removed, like this much of login and this process, we have cut short it. You just need to integrate that drive over here, or Dropbox, or the OneDrive, or the Google Drive, and curate the content from there directly in your My Drive, .com My Drive, and use that. So it's really that simple. So first, we are going to talk about Pixabay. Click on integrate. It needs title and API key. Just two things. Title, you need to give it any title of your choice, you can, and the API key. Now, how you get this API key from Pixabay? Let me tell you. This is my account for Pixabay. I go to explore and the API key. You can see Pixabay Developer API, and here is the complete documentation and other details. If you want to create your app, you can. If you just need an API, you just need to click on Get Started. Just scroll it down and you can see your API key. It's here. If I copy it simply and go to .compal, place it over here, and I pick up. This is the title I have given to this integration, and save API credentials. Integration added successfully. It's, as I told you, it's like what I should say. It's dead simple, extremely easy for anyone. No any tech skill required, no any coding requirement, nothing. You just need to log into your Pixabay account, go to API section, and copy that key, paste it in .compal, and done. And you are able to curate content from Pixabay in .compal. Karim, what do you say about it?
So
Isn't
here's
it
what,
a 2 second or 5 second way?
yeah. So honestly, this is a huge win for a couple of reasons, guys. One is you don't have to go and download a ton of images on your desktop and your desktop looks all crazy, or put them in folders. So you're saving space on your computer. That's a big thing. Second is to go to Pixabay, you got to click on the thing, click on the resolution, click the download, and then download that. That doesn't take long, okay, for one image, I get that, but when you do 10, 20, 30, are you just going to create one landing page? So if you're going to create multiple things, multiple videos, whatever you're doing, you're going to want to have Pixabay integrated, so you can just type in, okay, cars, okay, restaurants, any niche, and pull it up and get it done.
Absolutely. This is the like awesomeness of .compal, that it takes care of each and everything you need for your marketing campaigns, for your business, or for everything you need for your business. Now let's move on, because we have to cover three platforms that only takes like couple of seconds or few seconds, and you are done. So again, the neo integration we need to talk about, as we are going to talk about Pexels this time. And here it is, Pexels. It's not integrated. So integrate. Title, again, the name, and the API key, the same thing we need. So my Pexels. It could be anything. It's up to you what name you want to give to this integration. And now, how to get this API key from Pexels. Now, this is my Pexels account, and here you search for the images or videos you are looking for. And if we over to this drop down menu, you can see images, image and video API. Just click on it, and we are here. Start building with the power of Pexels, and all other details they want to show over here. But we need to get started. Clicking on this, explain briefly how and where you want to integrate our photos, because till now, till the time you have not downloaded those pics or pictures or videos, Those are the property of pixels. So we are asking for this. How we are going to use it? Obviously, we sorry. I'm going to use these graphics for my business on my website, landing pages, and products. No need to hide anything. Show and write the truth over there and get the API key. URL of your website, application, etc. So what is the URL of our website? Here it is, yogaword.compal.com. And if you have used custom domain in .compal, you can or you should use that URL. Like in my case, if it's a custom domain, so it could be yogaword www.yogaword.com. So I would suggest you to use that domain over there. But for this session, I haven't configured any custom domain for this business, so I'm going to use the subdomain which was provided by .compal absolutely free for this business. So here it is, yogawa.compal.com. Agree to the terms and service and the API guidelines. If you want to go through these terms and the guidelines, you can. These are there, and request API key. And here's the API key. I just need to copy this, and there's a place where I need to place it and say API credentials. Integration added successfully again. So we have integrated Pexels. I believe that I haven't uh, take more than 5 or 10 minutes to perform these integrations, and it's really amazing and easy, extremely easy for everyone. Just need to follow these steps, like 3 or 4 steps are there, and you will get these details you need for the integration. Right, Corinne?
Yes. And the easy thing is you just have to create an account, create a DotcomPal account, which are both free, by the way. You don't have to do anything to set these up. You just got to come in, hit a few buttons, and you're good to go. So if you can literally click 3 buttons and then click over to Pixabay and log in with your Google or Facebook account, copy the API key, put it in, you're done. And then do the same thing with Pexels. Won't take you, but yeah, like you're saying, 5 minutes or less. You can do it real quickly.
Absolutely. And Corinne, now we are going to talk about the giant of stock platforms, that is Shutterstock, most popular one around the world, around the globe.
Mhm.
Shutterstock, very famous name. And for this new integration, as we did last time, and here is the Shutterstock. I'm clicking on the integrate. It again needs title, consumer key, consumer secret, redirect URL, save API credentials. Obviously, we need to click this button once we are done with all these details. And my Shutterstock, as we are following this pattern for the integrations we have performed earlier as well. Now the consumer key, consumer secret, we need to find out from our Shutterstock account. And here's my Shutterstock account. And to get the details we need to integrate it with .compal, we need to go to developers, like the developer section of Shutterstock. That is shutterstock.com account slash developers.apps. So this is a URL, and you can go here by clicking on this dev API. You will reach over here. Now we need to create a new app. App is like application which will help us or which will deliver us the required details to integrate the Shutterstock account with DotcomPal business. So create new app name, uh, same name we can put over here as well. Shutterstock, my Shutterstock, callback URL. Don't be afraid about this because it's really like you will see what you have to put over here. Your pal, your business pal, www.dotcompal.com, then a comma, and the URL of your business. Uh, sorry, I copied something meanwhile. I thought that it's here on clipboard, but yes. So this is the subdomain or the custom domain if you have integrated or you have configured with .compal. So this is the subdomain. In your case, in the case of custom domain, you need to put your domain name over here, and it's mandatory www.compal.com, comma, and domain or subdomain. This is the only thing which you need to take care of, or it's too technical, but yes, it's a thing which needs to be taken care of. Rest, no need to put any referrer or this company name. So in my case, it's Yoga World website. Obviously, it's yogaworld.compal.com. Intended use. So why we need this? So API integration for my company. Yes. Okay. Description. The same thing, because that's the truth. I'm going to use the graphics on my business website. By creating this application, you agree to our terms of service. If you want to read the terms or the conditions, you can click over here. The documentation will be there. You can go through that. So only this thing, click on save. App created successfully. API documentation, paid API subscription, view documentation. Just give me a moment. Close. So this was the documentation, and here's the consumer key, consumer secret. These are the two things which we need: consumer key, consumer secret. So you just need to click on copy to clipboard. It's copied. Consumer key, here it is. Consumer secret. Guys, please don't mind. I'm not making it viewable. I know, I believe that you understand the reason, and but putting it over here, and it's visible over here, so it is nothing like that. You can so issue token and save API credentials. It asks for signing in Shutterstock to validate these details. So this is my account. I'm going to allow yogawa.compal.com to access the content through the application I have created on Shutterstock. So allow. And here we are. So all these three content providers, which are very well known around the globe, have been integrated with DotcomPal, and now the magic I'm going to show you. I'm going to my drive because this is the place where we place all the content we need for our marketing campaigns, for our business, the content we want to share with our viewers, audience, people, customers, subscribers. So obviously, we need all the content we are going to curate from these content providers here only. This is the option third party. Obviously, these three platforms are third party platforms for .compal. So click on this. Now, I want to like curate an image about Paprika's face. It's from Pixel. If we talk about Pixels, here are the customer, here's the customer, here's the happy face, here. So Uh, it totally depends on the keyword you are searching over there, that which platform is going to deliver or delivering the best result or the most related or correlated image or video or the content you are looking for. So you have different options like Pixabay was not delivering the right content, so I chose Pixels. If I go to Shutterstock, I can because I have integrated this platform as well in my .compal business. Going to search it, and here it is. So these are the paid images. You can see Shutterstock, and for example, if I'm going to select this, as Karim mentioned, you can select the resolution as well. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, add to my drive, going to images, and here it is. The logo or the watermark was there for Shutterstock has been removed because it's a paid account of Shutterstock, and I can use this image, this graphic in any of my marketing campaigns, the website, the pop-ups, or the landing pages, or if I want to use it as a banner or something like that, I can. So Kareem, it was all about the integration of these three platforms. You have experience of Shutterstock, Pixabay, and Pexels, and now these platforms will work for you in .compal itself. No need to log in separately. No need to download images. Uh, Fill your desktop or like fill your desktop or the drive local drives of your computer or laptop with tons of images or videos, and manage them into several numerous folders and that kind of thing, and delete which are not useful for you. So you have like enough space on cloud with .compal my drive. Fill it with any number of images or videos you want and use them whenever, wherever you need. What do you think, Corey?
So what I think is, because I use the Pixabay one myself, I love Pixabay. It's just a great website to use for images. And what I think, if I can share my screen here, is that's something I use, quite a lot myself, um, just to kind of figure out, how everything works. Um, like I'm in yoga here, as you were pulling up, I just simply click add to my drive, and then I just go to all files, and then these are in my drive. It's that simple. Then I can go to grow. I can go to landing pages. I can say I want to go to my new Pixabay page. I can click edit here because I have a ton of pages created. And I go, oh, I want to add some images for yoga or gym or fitness instructors. How am I going to do that? Well, I just wait for the page to load. Say I don't want this image here. I click change image. And then here's my yoga thing. And then I grab my picture. I can resize it if I want or not. This is a pretty cool picture. And I just drag it there and it's done. Now, I don't know any other software where you can integrate something like that, have pages that look this good, or websites or emails, and then just pull this information right here, and it's super simple to do. All you have to do is go to Pixabay, grab their API documentation as you saw here, put it into DotcomPal, integrate it, and then grab the images you want. Whatever category you want, you can pull up some images. So I love it. I think it's an amazing feature, and it's necessary for creating content. So does anybody have any questions? Thank you, Shirag, for doing an awesome job in the support. Guys, if you like this video, if you find it to be useful content, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know when we make more videos to help you grow your business and bring in awesome images and visuals and stuff like that. So leave me a comment below if you have any questions about how to use visuals in your business or anything related to your business. If you're on Facebook, give me a like and share this out to someone who needs to grow their business. Do we have any questions, guys, in the comments? Remember, if you don't think of something now, pops in your mind a couple hours later, no problem, hit it up in the comments. Do we have any questions? Someone says, good. Hey, you did a good job. Good job, Manish. Awesome.
Thank you for you.
Do we have any questions? We're here to help you grow. What questions do we got? All right.
Guys, your questions help us to know and understand you in a better way so that we can deliver the maximum and that is the most required one from your side. So it's not like that if you are not available as of now and you are not able to think about the questions or the queries or the confusions you have about DotcomPal, no worries. You can always place or post them into comments in comment section, and we will answer that in our next session or by replying you over there then and there regarding the question you have. So, but ask as much as you possible because that will help you to understand DotcomPal, the platform we have created with like several years of study and research and development. And it's really important to understand the platform which you are going to use to build and grow your business. So if you know it better, you will be able to utilize and squeeze the most important extract of this platform in your business.
Thank you for that, Manish. All right. So if anyone has any questions, any comments pop into your mind, let us know. Oh, we got something. Show us next time what other good things we can integrate with DotcomPal. Yeah, we can do another session, maybe show you some like autoresponders, a webinar, and eventually talk to the team. Maybe we get Sendio or something in the future. So yeah, we'll show you some awesome integrations next time. Thank you, Gustavo. I do appreciate your feedback. All right, anyone, if you think of something, don't hesitate, put it in the comment box below. And I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates when we do this, and hit like and share this video out. Guys, if you liked what we showed you here, you can go pro if you have a free account. Now is the time to get our founders special lifetime deal. You can get unlimited visits, websites, and landing pages, where on your landing pages you can pull all those Pixabay images for all your businesses, and a couple of really cool founders bonuses. But that's not all. If you haven't started with DotcomPal, you can get a free account in 3 clicks. We won't ask you for your credit card. This is a $100 a month service for free. But don't just set up an account. Use it to build, grow, sell, and manage. Because as you grow, we grow. We can't grow if your business doesn't grow. I want to give out a shout out to my awesome co-host Manish, to Avenatti Suarez, to Shirag, who's crushing it in the comments with support, and a shout out to all of our Facebook and YouTube viewers. You guys make the show. Keep building, keep growing, and we'll see you tomorrow at 9:30 EST for more lessons on how to upgrade your digital marketing game, different things you can do in DotcomPal to grow your business. Everyone, I'm Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage. And I'm wishing you an awesome day. Keep growing, keep building. We'll see you soon.